In the ever-changing global market, the core competency for a business is continuous innovation and transformation. The key to success is being able to respond to the market with fast, precise, and continuous innovative customization and services. To achieve goals and keep pace with the evolving market, a business needs competitive equipment and thorough before and after sales services. This enhances both competitiveness and the ability to explore new markets and business opportunities. Today, the market demand for 3C products and LCD panels is high. In Taiwan, the manufacturing of smartphones, tablet PCs, and touch panels is booming. High-speed tapping machines for processing the metal cases of 3C products is a fast-growing category, with among the highest output in the machine tool industry. To fulfill rising demand, Delta has launched its CNC Solutions with expandable input and output interfaces, which greatly satisfy the technical requirements for high speed, high precision, and superior surface finishing in the machine tool industry, suitable for high-speed tapping, engraving, and milling applications. It effectively enhances processing efficiency and productivity. Delta's CNC solution is composed of the high-performance NC300 series controller as the core, with the ASDA A2 or M series AC servo drives, plus the ASDA S series spindle drive and high-speed permanent magnetic spindle motors for a complete total solution. High speed. The Delta NC300 series is an embedded control panel with high cost performance value. It integrates high-speed and high-computing CPUs and provides real-time, multitasking, and multi-control dual cores for a high-speed and stable system. This solution applies DMC-net for high-speed communication and data transmission with a rate of 10 megabytes per second and a data update frequency of up to 1 kilohertz. DMC-net greatly enhances controller efficiency and satisfies requirements for high-speed and high-precision milling. Delta's permanent magnetic spindle motor offers rapid response and low deviation. The spindle motor's performance demonstrates high precision and synchronized rigid tapping with 6,000 to 12,000 revolutions per minute to shorten processing time with fast production and meet high market demand. High precision. The NC300 controller adopts acceleration and deceleration before interpolation and multi-block preview for complete shape control. Single-block commands reduce table vibrations and ensure smooth operation. The ASDA servo drives with high-resolution encoders feedback signals from a linear scale to perform highly precise, fully closed loop control operations. This avoids backlash impact and mechanical thermal deformation to achieve perfect precision. Superior surface finish. To ensure processing quality and a superior surface finish, the ASDA servo drives provide fine interpolation function. Interpolation commands are processed within the servo drive for smooth speed and greatly enhanced surface finish. In addition, Delta CNC Solution comes with a high-inertia servo motor that uses high-resolution encoders that are better than comparable general-purpose servo motors to ensure synchronous movement, smooth processing, and finely finished workpieces. Delta provides outstanding performance for a high-speed, high-precision, and superior surface finish. We have also established rapid customer service and professional consultation worldwide to satisfy customer needs. Delta CNC Solution offers not only a state-of-the-art system, but is also supported by a dedicated service team and professional technicians. As the machine tool industry advances into the future, we are dedicated to being your best partner, providing strong technical support and collaborating on new innovations to meet the challenges of an ever-changing world. Delta Electronics provides you with innovative, clean, and energy-efficient solutions for a better tomorrow.